Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Florida City, local, and long distance movers near me. Our expert Florida City local movers will arrive at your doorstep ready to tackle every aspect of your move. We carefully pack your belongings, ensuring their safety throughout the journey. With our top notch equipment and years of experience, we swiftly load everything onto our spacious trucks. Once we hit the road, you can rest assured knowing that we have taken the most efficient routes, avoiding traffic snarls and roadblocks. Being familiar with the city's layout is a massive advantage for us as a moving company. It allows us to streamline the entire process, saving you precious time and money. At 3 Movers, we get the extra mile done during long-distance moves. Long-distance moves require meticulous planning and extensive coordination. Our dedicated team of Florida City long-distance 3 Movers will work closely with you to create a customized moving plan tailored to your specific needs. For long-distance moves, we utilize our fleet of well-maintained trucks equipped with state-of-the-art features to ensure the safety of your belongings. We also carefully pack and secure your items, providing extra protection for the journey ahead. Our team is trained in handling long-distance moves, including proper loading and unloading techniques to minimize potential damage. Regarding pricing, we understand the importance of staying within your budget. That's why we offer the best pricing options for long-distance moves, providing transparent and competitive rates. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Florida City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.